folks. Welcome to our Heartfelt weekly analysis for the second week of the month of February, beginning from the 9th day of February to 13th day of February. And in this video, I'll be showing you our Heartfelt bias for the week, where we'll just target 50 pips and we should be good for the week, just as the last week pan out. You can watch yesterday's video on our review, right? So before I show you um, or telling you the bias for the week, please make sure you watch the video to the end. But don't forget, we would like you to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, follow us on TikTok, and share the videos. Even if you don't need it, there are people who this video might be of great help to. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that anytime videos like this are dropped, you'll be the first to get notified. Saturdays are for videos on review, and Sundays like this are for analysis for the new week on what to anticipate. All right. So before I show you the bias for this week, now listen. I want to show you what you are to anticipate. Either you are buying or selling, doesn't matter. All right. So let's begin with DXY on daily time frame. DXY on daily time frame. Watch this. Price just took off the previous day low, which was Thursday low. All right, and closed inside. It might also signal a bullish move. All right, a bullish move. So probably you might watch how the price pan out, and if you're already on buy around here, you can hold it until the high is taken. Right, this is the first target, and again this one will be the second target. This other block, stroke the rejection block around here. You get that now? That's going to be our rejection. This second take profit. This other block and rejection of this area, you should be able to take your profit, and you are good for the week if possible. Are you getting that now? So that is on first scenario. But if price if market opens and price takes the low, all right, takes the low of this Friday candle, what do? You have to get position, because probably price might drop further down to this I think we have an IFVG here, or this imbalance that needs to rebalance. So these are the two scenarios that you have to watch out for on DSY, whether you're a swing or you're intraday traders. Now let's check Euro USD. Euro USD, these are the areas I marked that I said we are still yet to hit, all right, after the last week price display, right? Same thing on DSY. You see that now. So if price takes the high, now if price takes the high, right? If price takes the high and price didn't take the low of what of DSY, that's an SMT. That means you can still think of going down, all right? But if price takes the high and DSY also take the low, it's going to suggest a bullish move for Euro USD, whereby this area marked is going to be the next target. Take note, guys, this area marked is going to be the next target. If price takes this high and DSY does the opposite, you will get position for a buy to target this area, right? But if there's an SMT between EU and DSY, that means we're going to look for a drop down to, first of all, this target here, and before finally this target on Euro USD. You get that now? Those are the two scenarios. Then on Gbpusd, there's nothing much about this. You follow EU and DSY to get aligned with what Gbpusd is going to do. So probably price might take off this high, right? Might even correct this area as some CRT before probably dropping down to take this area. So this one is a target. Price is buying, is selling. This will be another target for Gbpusd. But follow the instruction on EU and DXY. So finally, what then is our bias for the week? Heartfelt bias for the week. We are going to go bullish, right? We are going to go bullish. It might be on Monday, it might be Tuesday, it might be Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. Get position. Don't forget this week is our NFP week. All right. So today we're going to this we want to decide how this is going to shape in our swing trade. All right, to either hit our target for what we projected based on our FOMC report, and to compare it with this. So we're going to go bullish. Wait for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. All right, Tuesday, Thursday, or Friday. Wait for an SMT. Price might drop down, drop down, drop down. Wait for an SMT. Either it's an SMT or sessional SMT, and you can take your buy and target 50 pips. Don't be greedy because we are still bearish on the short run, right? So target 50 pips on the bullish move for Heartfelt. That doesn't mean you must not sell. All right, I'm just giving you a scenario. Depend on your strategy. So when you get those scenarios right, you should be good. But our Heartfelt bias is what is bullish for the week, not all through the week, just for the week. So anytime you see the setup, hit it hard and get your 50 pips and walk away. All right, till I see you on Saturday for a review on what price we'll be doing for this week. All right, guys, let's go bullish. Bye.